welcome back to my daily life. I hope you guys will enjoy my vlog. While I'm doing my house chore, I will tell you about my YouTube channel. Actually, I have some different YouTube channel, and this is the longest that I have. I mean the old one. Somehow the other channel I just forget the password and even didn't get monetized. Same like this YouTube channel. And now I want to start back with this vlog. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy my vlog and keep on watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So thank you. So right now I just want to make some lunch for my family. Okay, so I want to cut the big onion. Just cut it. I want to make a chicken curry. Somehow guys, I try to be like aesthetic, calm and cozy vlog that I could be. Because I don't know how to make some kind of video like that. The aesthetic one, the cozy one, the productive a day in my life. Because I don't know. Actually, I don't want to talk in my video like doing voice cover because I don't know. I can't speak English very much, and I only have a basic knowledge about English. Too lazy to write or typing. The reason I didn't make a voice cover because I don't know what kind of story that I'm going to tell you guys, or I just make a silent video. I hope you guys comment down below. Should I make a silent vlog or speak to the camera? Speak, telling story, everything. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my video. Thank you very much.